Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and eject the SIM/SD tray to prevent short circuits. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and place parts on a magnetic mat. Use a small Phillips or tri-point driver and a plastic spudger to prevent panel damage. Make sure to photograph screw locations and connector orientation as you go. This saves time on reassembly. Don't waste time checking obvious things. Proceed to open the back carefully, prying from the seam and working one notch at a time. Once the battery is disconnected, remove shielding to expose the power button flex and related FPC connectors. Carefully inspect the flex cable for tears, creases, or corrosion. These often cause intermittent on/off behavior. Use a multimeter on continuity mode to probe the switch pads. You want near 0 ohms when pressed, open when released. If the connector looks dirty, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. If the pad is lifted, consider a controlled reflow or replacing the flex cable entirely before proceeding with solder repairs. Reflow or replace the damaged flex. Use a temperature-controlled soldering iron, flux, and fine solder to avoid lifted pads. Once repaired, reconnect the battery and test the power button while the phone is still open so you can observe behavior. If the button works consistently, reassemble in reverse order, double-checking screw locations and connector seating. If problems continue, swap the entire button module or check the power management IC for unstable voltages. If PMIC fault
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.